Welcome to the training course for AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate level. Now, before we begin, let me introduce myself. I am Akhil Jain and I'll be training you on how to clear this exam successfully. I am AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate level. I am an Oracle Certified Java EE5 Enterprise Architect as well. I have an experience of more than a decade working in the state of the art technology based applications. And if you wish to connect to me, please search me on LinkedIn. So I hope you already know what AWS Associate Certification is, and since you are taking this course, it's obvious that you want to become one. It's good that you made this choice, and I can assure you that it is a very good step for your career because earning AWS certification enables you to demonstrate you have expertise to design, deploy, and operate highly available, cost effective, and secure applications on the AWS platform. It helps you to gain recognition and visibility for your proven skills and proficiency with AWS. It fosters credibility with your employers and peers. So let's look at how to prepare for the certification. Well, the first step is to review the exam guide from Amazon. You can find it at aws.amazon.com/certification to understand what exactly this certification is and setting the right expectations. Then comes the technical skills needed to clear the certification. And this course is all about making you familiar with AWS world and give you enough knowledge to become an AWS certified solutions architect. Now, apart from the technical training, you are also recommended by Amazon to go through various white papers. Don't worry, I'll talk about specific papers to go through at the end of the course, but we will cover most of the things from those white papers which are important for the exam. Also, I would recommend to go through reInvent videos on Amazon's YouTube channel. Now, reInvent is Amazon's annual user conference where AWS announces their new offerings, enhancements to the existing service, and share a lot of knowledge about the AWS platform itself. AWS FAQs are also very good source of knowledge as they cover a lot of things about AWS services. Now, if you wish to take the practice exams before appearing for the final exam, you can take them online through Web Assessor. The final exam itself is administered at criterion testing centers in over 750 locations across the globe. You can schedule it online by visiting www.webassessor.com. In the actual exam, you will be asked questions based on the following four domains. They have their own weightages, which are listed on the screen. Designing systems covers 60% of the exam questions, implementation and deployment covers 10%, data security covers 20%, and troubleshooting covers remaining 10%. So let's look at the overview of this course and what are we going to talk about and what we will cover. We'll be talking about overview of the AWS platform, including all the services and the broad categories they fall into. Then we will look into each of the offering from AWS in detail to prepare you for any questions that might come in exam concerning these topics. We will learn about VPC, IAM, EC2, which is kind of a backbone of AWS, S3, and so on. So don't worry if you don't understand any of these terms as of now. I'll make sure that you are fully competent in these after successfully completing this course. Apart from the theoretical knowledge, I'll show you some practical demonstrations as well, which will just reinforce your knowledge which you will gain in the theoretical lectures. I will also provide a lot of exam tips which will help you to remember important concepts and help you to clear the certification easily. Now, before we begin, let me clear if it's very good if you are aware about cloud computing beforehand. If not, don't worry at all, and I'll give you a brief overview to set the context right. We will also talk about advantages of cloud computing so that you understand why AWS platform is trending up so much and the people who know about AWS are in so much demand. It's good if you are familiar with AWS to a certain extent. If not, there's nothing to worry about. As I said earlier, we will cover each and every concept necessary for clearing the certification. It's also good if you have prior practical experience with AWS. This will help you to recollect important facts about the platform. If you don't have any prior practical experience, I would recommend that you set up a free account with AWS so that you can explore it during the course as we move along and get the real feel. Now, that's all I had to say before starting the actual course. So, if you think you're ready to learn about AWS and become a certified solutions architect associate level, go on to the next lecture in this course.